Hi friends, it's me Aditi. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we are gonna see a scene of a railway station. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a scene or when I visited railway station first time are described in this video as a scene of railway station. So, without wasting our time, let's start our video. Last week, I went to the station to see of my uncle. We went there by auto. You could change the vehicles and the person you are gonna visit him. There was a long queue at the booking window. My uncle bought a journey ticket and a platform ticket. We went to the platform with a coolie. A coolie is a person who carry our luggage. There was a great rush on the platform. Some passengers were sitting, some were standing. The coolies were carrying luggage. As I told you that the people who carry luggage is called coolie. The hawkers were selling things. The hawkers are the people who sell the things on the railway stations. After some time, the train arrived. Some passengers were trying to get into the compartment. Some were getting down. My uncle also got into a compartment. The guard blew the whistle and the train started. Then I come back. So here I described how I feel when I went to the railway station first time. Friends, while you are writing this scene, you could also add your own experience. Like if you bought something from the railway station, you could write that. Or how do you feel, how persons were coming there. If you met your friend there, you could write also. And from which vehicle you come back, from which vehicle you go there, you could also write that. So it's about your experience to write about the scene of railway station, as we do not have same experience, so you could add your own experience also here. The line here is then I come back is representing that I come back to home, as my uncle just go into the train and this was only the journey here. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for these amazing learning videos. Stay tuned to my channel as I will upload soon more videos. And please like this video and share to the people who want my help. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.